hair everywhere on the floor, salon spaces crowded with hair equipment, customers waiting to get service for ages, heat lingering around the machines. These are all typical scenes of Hong Kong hair salons. While there may be many problems with Hong Kong hair salons, our team sees the potential of transforming them into a more sustainable and comfortable space, and now we bring you into our dream salon. This model you're going to look at takes the ideas of biomimicry, form and movement, smart materials, and sustainability. This model is a transformation of a real existing salon called Amazed for Hair, located near University of Hong Kong. With its small size and crowded environment, we see it as a conventional salon in Hong Kong. Here, we experiment how these elements can upgrade both the salon's environment and customer experience. Noticing the concerns of long and unpredictable waiting time, our hair salon adapts piezoelectric sensors that are applied to waiting chairs and cape cabinets, which will calculate the necessary waiting time for different services. As the customers receive their haircut services, many often wish for a better view of their hair. To accommodate for this, our salon provides extendable mirrors and automatic mirror lighting. Using smart materials, the deformation will be sensed when you sit on the salon chair and causes the mirror to extend while switching on the mirror lights. Mirror lights are only switched on when there are customers, and it will be remained switched off when there are none. This will reduce the energy use for lighting, achieving resource efficiency, hence sustainability. Another improvement takes form in increasing convenience. Each salon chair has a foldable basin that resembles a flower bud. The flower opens up when hair washing services are demanded. The petals have waterproof and self-cleaning properties like lotus leaves. The chemicals blended with water fall along the surface and down to the receptacles, or the sink part, so the basin is kept clean at all times. Not only does this design increase the comfort of the customers, it also saves space as additional hair washing stations are no longer required. This design also embeds the element of sustainability, taking the form and functions of a lotus leaf. The sink hole acts just like a receptacle of a flower as it collects water and supplies the water needs of the salon. In particular, the water collected will be recycled and used in washroom facilities. This can reduce the amount of fresh water needed in the salon, achieving resource efficiency. In addition to increasing convenience and saving space, our salon stores all hair equipment along a ceiling rail. Instead of pushing a trolley around, hairdressers can retrieve necessary hair equipment from the ceiling rail, making the salon more spacious and organized. As cleanliness is a major factor for providing comfort, our salon provides capes for customers that mimic the spine of a cat's tongue. Such mimicry locks the hair onto the cape and prevents the floor from getting messy and slippery. As the customers remove their cape, the spine can be laid flat and let the hair off. Along with a floor that resembles quicksand, the slope can help collect hair for recycling at ease. Moreover, our salon replaces air conditioning with seed pod ceiling fans, which are one-blade ceiling fans that can greatly reduce the amount of energy needed for operation, while maintaining sufficient airflow and reducing wind noise. Even though the smart hair salon is just an idea, we hope salons in Hong Kong can advance in this direction such that they become more energy efficient while being able to provide customers with a better hair salon experience.